Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Sephora. Hello, Sephora favorites. This is supposedly what is replacing our Sephora Play. So let's get in here and check it out. We have done away with the Sephora Play subscription box. It was a $10 monthly box. You got samples. They had started running into some problems. People were getting a lot of repeats. Okay, so they decided to cancel it. And when they said they were canceling it, they said, look out, we have great things coming. And one of the great things that they said they had coming was Sephora Favorites Hello Bag. Let's dig in here and see what we got. The reason I decided to go ahead and get this one is it was the first one. We'll decide after we see this one going forward if it's something that I should order. But the beauty of this one is in theory. When you see it offered, you can see all of the products that are going to be in it for you to sample. And you can decide if it's something you want. It won't just automatically come to you every month. People won't be getting different things. Everybody that ordered this bag got the exact same product. So that is the beauty part of this. And on the back of this, they have said, so much beauty to try. So little time and budget to do it. That's why we've made things easy with this pack of must-have Sephora favorites. Best of all, you'll get a 15% off your next full-size purchase of any of these products in this bag. Now pop it open and meet your new beauty. And it does say, just for the record, May Hello. I just received it. But it is the May Hello. So I haven't seen anything about a June one, but in all fairness, I haven't gotten on again and looked. So that makes me wonder if they are going to do this monthly. I did look at the products. I don't remember exactly what they were, but I do remember thinking, this is a whole lot like Sephora Play, but like I said, I just had to get it since it was the first month. And the first thing I received, oh, this is cute, is it's called Nudies All Over Face Bronze Color. And it is just a cute little sample, but it is a nude stick, so it's a good product. Let's see, that is the color. We'll go ahead and swatch it. Oh, I don't know that I can use that on my cheeks or contour. It's kind of rusty for a contour for me, but it feels really nice. It looks nice. I'm gonna have to find something that works for me to do with this. Also, I don't think I have, let me dig in. I don't have paperwork. No, we get 15% off. This is the only paperwork in here. And on the back, it has a code for each one of these products that you can get 15% off of. So this blends out actually it blends out really nicely. I might could use this for a contour or a bronzer. Can you see what's left of that? I kind of like it. It feels nice too. It's not left with, we've had a lot of like those milk products lately that kind of leave you dewy and glossy. This doesn't. It feels smooth now on my hand. I like that. We also got the mandatory perfume sample that we always used to get in our Sephora Play boxes. This is the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb. It smells nice. Of course, we all know it smells nice because if you get any beauty box, you've had the Viktor & Rolf. I would say they have probably spent so much money over the course of the last couple of months getting themselves into beauty boxes. But I will tell you, I can't be bitter about it because I do enjoy that scent, especially now in the summer. It's so floral and light. I like it a lot. Next, I have a Kale and Green Tea Spinach and Vitamins Superfood Cleanser. I have had this before. I don't think that I've tried it though. I do have it down there to be tried, but I have this horrible habit where I get something in a box and I think, okay, this is next. I'm trying this next. And then a new box comes and it has something in it I want to try, and I keep bumping items and they never get tried. This is a nice glass bottle. That is what the cleanser looks like. It says that it is a daily green juice cleanse for your face with cold-pressed antioxidants to remove impurities and keep skin's pH balanced. See, it definitely needs to be tried, especially here in the summer with pH balancing. I have dry skin, but even I in the summer, in my T-zone, especially actually, I guess just my eye zone, not usually my forehead, just my nose, my lip, my chin, this area right here, wants to get a little bit, by the end of the day, a little, I can't say oily. That's not a word I could ever use for my skin, but you know what I mean? It's not dry. I feel like I could use a better cleanse. All right, next I have Living Proof. Yay, always love to try Living Proof. And this is a 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce. It is the Restore and Repair Mask. I will definitely be using this. And that is what that looks like. Like I said, it's a nice, I don't know if you can tell, it's heavy too, so it's full, I'd say. And it says, after you shampoo, just generously from roots to ends, massage this through and leave it on for 5 minutes and rinse. Let's see if it's sealed. Let's see which, most of the living proof stuff smells exactly the same, but some of it smells a little different. So it's good. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that. It is really, really thick. Very thick. I like the, and it has that kind of known living proof scent. It's just fresh and clean. I like it. I will definitely be using this. I said the other day, since we're not getting out to get haircuts and stuff, my ends, they need some love. Oh my goodness, guys. I just, to wipe that off the back of my hand, just opened up a new pack because I just finished my Tony Moly Peach of wipes. And I've told you in the past, this is mostly what I use these for, is wiping off swatches. I don't use them because my face is so sensitive. I don't use them as much on my face. This is the Pixi Makeup Melting Cleansing Cloths in Chamomile and Rose. This is what it looks like. This feels so good. I am tempted to take this downstairs and try it on my face. The wipe itself is very soft. Bonus info having nothing to do with Sephora. It feels so soft and it's stretchy and it's just nice. Let's read about the ingredients real quickly. It's got water and glycerin and aloe vera and the rose, tea tree, grapeseed oil. This feels so nice. It is so tempting to take it down and try it on my face. And I just used it on the back of my hand and it's not even a little bit dry. It almost feels a little bit like I moisturized. Okay, enough of our break. Next, I have the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. And it's for normal to dry skin. So that is perfect for me. And this is what the tube looks like. It is small, but it is not ridiculously small. You know, we've had some ridiculously small things. And it is 0.2 fluid ounces. It says that it is a rich moisture cream for soothing skin and strengthening hydration. Interesting choice of words, strengthening. Well, I will read the ingredients, and if I can use it, I will absolutely give this a try. And last, I have a NARS lipstick. That is what that looks like. It says that it is in Toledo. Let's get in here and see what this looks like. Oh, it's very pretty. It's small, but look, they went through the trouble of putting the NARS on it. That is so pretty. It actually goes, if you're the type of person that these actually go really well together. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh, that's pretty. It's a little warmer than I generally wear, but I will set it aside for when fall comes. I think that is really pretty. You can see it with my purple nail there. It's not exactly the colors I usually go for, but I like it. It's really moisturizing. Okay, so that is the first Sephora Hello bag. Let me know below what you think about it. Full cards on the table. I think they kind of picked up where the Sephora play left off. That said, I knew when I ordered this exactly what I was getting, so I have no right to complain. And I'm not complaining. I just wanted to let you guys know exactly what came in the first bag and let you know that you could keep an eye out. It was $10 though, and if they weren't offering free shipping for all of June, I think it's all of June, I will put that information right here. I believe it's all of June there if you use like free ship or ships free. Again, I'll put it here. Because they knew people couldn't get to the stores, they've been doing free shipping for quite some time. But I certainly would not have purchased this and paid another $5 to ship it. This is definitely not worth $15. $10 you could say, yeah, probably, if you wanted to try these items. Definitely not $15. So we received the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Cleanser, the Laneige Moisture Cream, the NARS Lippy, the Nude Stick Bronzer, the Living Proof Mask, which I am very excited to try, and our little Flower Bomb Perfumey. So let me know below. What do you guys think? I'm anxious to hear. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you guys really soon, and please take care out there.